back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying out the Foxy eye trend. It was a little bit harder to recreate than I thought, so I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, you're very much welcome. I hope you like what you see. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, hit the subscribe button down below. I hope you'll see you in a later video. I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the Morphe 25A Cover Spice palette, just because I think it's the perfect palette to create this look. Let me open up the palette and of course show you guys colours. Great combinations of browns and whatnot, very neutral shades, which I think will help me create this. As you can see, I've already done my brows off camera. I'm usually a base before brows kind of girl, but I feel like for this look it would just be a lot easier to do my eyeshadow first. So I'm going to start off by priming my lids with the Conceal and Define Concealer. I always use this to prime my lids in like all my videos. This is just going to work as a great base for eyeshadows. As always, I'm going to let this sit for a while before I blend it out, just so it's a little bit more tacky and easier for the eyeshadows to go onto. And also, as you can see, I've put some tape here so that when we're putting on the eyeshadow, it's already given us that kind of foxy, snatched eye look. Zoomed in a little bit just so that we can focus mainly on the eye. So I'm picking up a warm brown. This is called Radar, and I'm gonna just start by patting it in like an eyeliner kind of shape right near my lash line. So I'm starting with not too dark a shade, and then I'm gonna build it up. Remember to blend out the creases. You don't want that messing up the look. Now I've taken a darker shade, and this is called Chase, and I'm just gonna put that right below the first one. It's not too much darker, but we're gonna build up quite a few shades just to build up the intensity and the kind of smokiness of the lip. As you can see, unlike the first shade, I'm not really bringing this too far up. I'm really even concentrating it a lot on this outer eye area. I'm going back in with the brush I used for the first shade just to blend the two colours together. I'm not picking up any extra product as well. So now I'm using the same brush and I'm picking up an even darker shade just to pat mainly on the wing area. And then again blend in with this brush. Even taking it a little bit into my crease. Just want to make sure the line a bit is not actually too harsh. Back in again with the dark shade. So now I'm taking my concealer brush with a hint of C12. I'm gonna clean up this area just to place a nice neutral shade onto the upper area of my lid. What this is gonna do is it's gonna help clean up the lid, but it's also gonna create a nice contrast of the darker shades we have put on to the outer area of our lid. So I'm using the shade Lit. It's not as neutral. I mean, it's just, I wish it was a little bit lighter, but there isn't really much of a lighter shade in this palette. So I'm just tapping this on, and I think I'm gonna top it with another shade in the palette. So I'm putting Sand Dollar on top of that because it's, as you can see, a lot lighter, but I'm gonna blend the two colours together regardless. Back in with Lit on top, and it's kind of creating the shade I want, which is nice. Now I'm going back in to my crease with that first brush, just to kind of blend everything together. Now I did want to avoid using black in this tutorial. I kind of wanted it to be brown, but I'm going to take the black in the Morphe palette, which is called Unveil, and I'm just going to tap the tiniest bit just to really add some drama and really darken up that outer area. As always, we're going to blend that out. So I'm just going to tap on a little bit more of Sand Dollar, just because I want this place to really kind of be a little bit brighter, just for that nice contrast between the dark and light areas on my eye. So for my tear duct, I'm going to take Sand Dollar again for a nice bright look. I'm going to take Filter from my Morphe 9G Oh So Gorg palette, put that on top as well. For my 9G palette, I'm taking the shade Sachet, which is like a shimmer, just for a little bit of shine. It's very subtle, but that's mainly due to the brush that I'm using, but that's okay. I'll probably pop on a little bit more later once you've done more of our face. So now for the big reveal, I'm going to take off my tape. It's pretty nice. I'm going to clean that up with some concealer and then I'm going to get started on my face. I'm loving the whole gradient effect, it's lovely. So before I set my under eye area, using the concealer as a base, I'm gonna put some of the second eyeshadow colour that I use mainly on my outer area. I'll probably have to clean that up. Well, that is no biggie, I just want it to be a little bit connected. Finally, I'm going in with Unveil, which is the black. I'm actually going to switch to my smaller brush because I want this to be very precise. I'm kind of going to bring it up to the kind of faux wing that we did. So now I'm going to clean that up with the concealer and then we'll be good to go to set our face. To properly complete this eye look, I'm going back again with that tiny brush and I'm putting Filter in my tear duct just because it kind of got erased when I was doing my face makeup. And then I'm going to top that with Sachet, the shimmery shade. These are the lashes I'm going to be using. I don't think it's in focus, but as you can see, it gets more dramatic towards the end, which I think will really add to this Foxy eye look. So I'm going to pop these on off camera. So I stuck my lashes on and I feel as though they really complement the eye look. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm using the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray as well as the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. To complete this look, I'm going to be obviously finishing off with my lips. I'm going to be using the Conceal and Define Concealers in C18, C13.5 and C12 to do my lips. I'm going to line my lips with C18 and fill them in with the other two colours and then top that off with a gloss. So this is C13.5. Probably put a little bit too much. A hint of C12 in the middle just for a pop of brightness. Probably a little bit too much. So this is the finished look, guys. I do apologise for the change in lighting, but I was having a little bit of issues with the sun or whatever. So this is the finished look and I do think it came out quite nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, of course, leave a comment and hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.